One of the many benefits of POLYWOOD outdoor furniture is that it requires little maintenance from season to season, but even our resilient lumber needs cleaned from time to time. The following methods can be used to clean all colors of POLYWOOD furniture. Small light stains will be removed with ease using a mild soap and water. For tough stains, smudges, and fungi, a solution made with 1 part bleach and 2 parts water can be used on the product without affecting the color. Evenly spray the solution over the problem area, waiting a few minutes before wiping the surface. Because of the lumber's subtle texture, you may need to use a soft bristle brush to effectively clean the area. For extra cleaning muscle, you can use a high-pressure power washer set to a maximum of 1500 psi. These cleaning methods can be used on all colors of POLYWOOD furniture. In no time at all, you'll be back to enjoying your freshly cleaned POLYWOOD outdoor furniture.